guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to get this female face filter in Instagram stories. So I'm in my Instagram. Let's go to this filter. The best female face filter that Instagram launched few days back is this one. Yeah, this one, and okay, this one. So this is not even close to what Snapchat is giving. So if you want to use that one, we can use that one from Snapchat. So let's go to Snapchat. Okay, so we are in Snapchat. Just press the filter button, and yeah, this is the female face filter in Snapchat. So you can record a video from here. So we are testing a video in Snapchat and we will use this video in Instagram. So our video is done. Okay, so here on the bottom you can see this save button. Tap there and the video will be saved. Okay, for this case actually I am recording my screen, so the voice is not there in this video, but for your case there will be sound. So we saved this video already. Let's go to Instagram now. So in Instagram, click the gallery and here you can access this video, and from here you can send this video. You can give this sticker from Instagram, usually like you give. So it's a social networking jump. You can use this video in Facebook, in WhatsApp status. So this video will work everywhere. So you can, for now, Instagram don't have a female face filter. So for now you can use from Snapchat to your Instagram. So thanks guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.